Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to collaborate in Notion. Notion is a versatile, all-in-one workspace designed to centralize your team's information, from notes and tasks to wikis and databases. It offers robust features for real-time collaboration, allowing multiple users to simultaneously edit, comment, and contribute to shared documents. This seamless teamwork helps enhance productivity and streamline workflows for any team, big or small. Controlling who sees and edits your work is crucial. Notion allows you to share pages with specific team members, predefined groups, or even external guests. You have 4 distinct access levels: full access for complete control, can edit for content changes, can comment for feedback, and can view for read-only access. Workspace owners can easily manage members and set default permissions, ensuring everyone has the right level of access. Notion truly shines with its real-time collaboration features. Imagine multiple team members editing the same page simultaneously, with live cursor tracking showing everyone's contributions instantly. You can easily leave comments on specific blocks for focused discussions and use @mentions to notify teammates. Plus, Notion maintains a detailed version history, allowing you to track all changes and revert to any previous version if needed, ensuring no work is ever lost. To maximize your team's productivity in Notion, consider these best practices. First, centralize all your team's information in one well-organized workspace to create a single source of truth. Second, leverage Notion's powerful databases for dynamic project management, tracking tasks, and deadlines efficiently. Finally, establish clear guidelines for communication and documentation practices to ensure consistency and foster a culture of knowledge sharing across your entire team.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.